Greetings, fellow travelers of the cosmos. Today our journey takes us not to the stars, but to the heart of ancient India, where a testament to human ingenuity has stood the test of time. The Iron Pillar of Ashoka. This unassuming pillar, towering over 23 feet high, is more than just a historical artifact. It's a scientific enigma. Forged nearly 1600 years ago, it stands in Delhi, almost entirely free of rust. How can a structure so old, crafted from a material known for its susceptibility to the ravages of time, remain so remarkably preserved? The Iron Pillar of Ashoka isn't merely a monument to an emperor, it's a monument to the ingenuity of the human mind. It compels us to explore the scientific principles behind its longevity. It beckons us to understand the ancient knowledge that allowed our ancestors to achieve such remarkable feats of engineering. This pillar, silent yet profound, whispers tales of a time when science and spirituality were intertwined. It reminds us that the quest for knowledge is timeless. The answer to the pillar's longevity lies in the very iron from which it was forged. The iron used in the pillar is exceptionally pure with a high phosphorus content. This, combined with the unique slag inclusions formed during its creation, forms a protective layer. It's a passive film, much like the one that protects aluminum, preventing oxygen and moisture from reaching the iron beneath. Think of it as a shield, an invisible barrier erected by the very structure of the material itself. This natural armor, combined with the dry climate of Delhi, has shielded the pillar from significant corrosion for over a millennium and a half. But the science doesn't end there. The iron pillar wasn't simply cast, it was forged. Ancient Indian metallurgists employed a technique known as forge welding. They hammered together small pieces of wrought iron, heating and fusing them repeatedly. This process not only removed impurities, but also created the distinctive slag inclusions that contribute to the pillar's corrosion resistance. The result is a testament to their skill and ingenuity, a structure that has endured centuries of exposure to the elements with minimal deterioration. The knowledge embedded within this pillar extends far beyond its physical form. It speaks to a deep understanding of material science, a mastery of metallurgical techniques that were centuries ahead of their time. This was not merely trial and error, it was a science codified in ancient Indian texts like the Dhatu Shastra. The Iron Pillar of Ashoka isn't just a relic of the past, it's a beacon illuminating the path to future innovation. The principles behind its corrosion resistance, the ancient wisdom enshrined in its very existence, have profound implications for modern materials science. By studying the techniques employed by those ancient artisans, we can glean insights into creating more durable, corrosion-resistant materials for the modern world. Imagine bridges that stand for centuries, buildings that resist the ravages of time, all inspired by the silent teachings of an ancient iron pillar. The Iron Pillar of Ashoka is a reminder that the quest for knowledge is a continuous journey, one that transcends time and connects us to the ingenuity of our ancestors. By rediscovering and understanding the wisdom of the past, we pave the way for a future where innovation knows no bounds.